Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the expansion of the Montego Bay port in western Jamaica. Now, as you know, a lot of developments are taking place in western Jamaica. Some of the largest hotels in Jamaica are being built down there. And a lot of times they have to import a lot of the stuff that is used on these projects. And so the Port of Kingston is currently the largest port in Jamaica, but they are going to be expanding the berth at the Montego Bay port so that more ships can come in and more cargo can be loaded and unloaded. So today we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the Port Authority is doing in Western Jamaica. The Port Authority of Jamaica is investing billions of dollars in the expansion of shipping, logistics, and supply chain capacity in St. James. Senior Vice President of Finance, Information Services, Corporate Planning, and Materials Management, Elva Williams Richards, said that the three major projects are being undertaken in the parish. These include the expansion of the berth facilities at the Montego Bay port at a cost of $1 billion. The works, which are already underway, aim to improve efficiency for cruise and cargo operations. In addition, the authority will be redesigning and scaping a section of Tony Hart Boulevard, the first phase of which will cost more than $500 million. Later on in the pipeline is the development of the 12-acre and an overwater boardwalk along the northern coastline of the Bogue Lagoon. These investments enhance the region's capacity for trade, shipping and logistics, making western Jamaica a more attractive hub for international commerce and supports Jamaica's goal of becoming a key player in the global supply chain, she said. She was addressing the Montego Bay Free Zone Limited 40th Anniversary Client Awards ceremony in St. James. The event celebrated the entity's evolution from a promising industrial complex to a sophisticated hub of international business and technological innovation, while recognizing the contributions of key stakeholders who have been instrumental in the zone's success. With approximately 8,000 workers employed, the MBFC has made a significant impact on the economy of St. James and the wider Jamaica through commercial activity and job creation, particularly in the business process outsourcing sector. Mrs. Williams Richards pointed out that the entity, which is a subsidiary of the Port Authority, remains steadfast in its commitment to transforming Western Jamaica and the country through further strategic investment. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about the work that the Port Authority is doing in Western Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.